Hello everyone, welcome back to Bindas Botany. Today I am going to discuss the most important MCQ on reproduction in flowering plant, that is microsporogenesis. This MCQ will help those who have prepared for NEET biology, TGT biology, PGT biology, common PG entrance test, common university entrance test, and other competitive examination. Let's begin. Question number 1. The process of formation of microspores from microspore mother cell is known as option A microsporogenesis, option B megasporogenesis, option C gametogenesis, option D fertilization. Correct answer is option A microsporogenesis. The next question number 2. The process of formation of pollen grain from microspore is called option A microgametogenesis, option B megagametogenesis, option C microsporogenesis, option D embryogenesis. Correct answer is option A microgametogenesis. The process of formation of microspore from microspore mother cell, it is called microsporogenesis, and the process of formation of pollen grain from microspore is called microgametogenesis. The next question number 3, the microspore mother cell is also known as option A pollen mother cell, option B megaspore mother cell, option C tapetal cell, option D sperm cell. Correct answer is option A pollen mother cell. The next question number 4. In an anther, microspore mother cell undergo option A mitosis, option B meiosis, option C amitosis, option D binary fission. Correct answer is option B meiosis. The next question number 5. Each microspore mother cell produces option A 1 microspore, option B 2 microspore, option C 4 microspore, option D 8 microspore. Correct answer is option C 4 microspore. This is a microspore mother cell which undergoes meiosis to form 4 pollen grain. The next question number 6. The 4 haploid microspores formed remain arranged in a option A dyad, option B tetrad, option C octad, option D cluster. Correct answer is option B tetrad. This is a tetrad microspore which contain 4 microspore. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, which are covered by thallus wall. The next question number 7. The process of formation of microspores from pollen mother cell through meiosis is called option A microgametogenesis, option B microsporogenesis, option C megagametogenesis, option D megasporogenesis. Correct answer is option B microsporogenesis. The next question number 8. Which tissue nourishes developing microspore? Option A epidermis, option B endothelium, option C tapetum, option D middle layer. Correct answer is option C tapetum. The next question number 9. The innermost layer of anther wall is option A tapetum, option B endothelium, option C epidermis, option D middle layer. Correct answer is option A tapetum. The outermost wall layer is epidermis. Then below the epidermis, this is endothelium. And below the endothelium, 3 to 4 layer of middle layer is present. And below the middle layer, there is tapetum. And below the tapetum, sporogenous tissue or microspore mother cell are present. The innermost layer of anther wall is tapetum and the outermost wall is epidermis. The next question number 10. The innermost layer of anther wall whose cells nourishes the developing pollen grain is option A epidermis, option B endothelium, option C tapetum, option D middle layer. Correct answer is option C tapetum. Tapetum provides nutrient to the developing microspores. The next question number 11. Tapetum is option A protective, option B nutritive, option C reproductive, option D gametophytic. Correct answer is option B nutritive. The next question number 12. Capital cells are option A haploid, option B diploid, option C triploid, option D polyploid. Correct answer is option D polyploid. This is the epidermis layer, then endothelium, and below the endothelium middle layer is present, and below the middle layer tapetum wall is present, and which provide nutrient to the developing microspores. The next question number 13. Tapetum cells are usually polyploid due to option A endomitosis, option B restitution nuclei, option C polyteny, option D all of these. Correct answer is option D all of these. The next question number 14. Tapetal cells are usually option A haploid to diploid, option B diploid to polyploid, option C triploid only, option D polyploid only. Correct answer is option B diploid to polyploid. The next question number 15. Tapetum is option A parietal in origin, option B innermost wall layer of pollen sac, option C nutritive and provide wall material to pollen grain, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. The next question number 16. Tapetum is option A inner nutritive layer that persists at maturity, option B inner nutritive layer that degenerate at maturity, option C outer nutritive layer that degenerate at maturity, option D outer nutritive layer that persists at maturity. Correct answer is option B inner nutritive layer that degenerate at maturity. The next question number 17. Tapetum occurs in option A anther wall, option B ovary wall, option C male gametophyte, option D female gametophyte. Correct answer is option A anther wall. The next question number 18. Tapetum present in the microsporangial wall occur between option A epidermis and endothelium, option B endothelium and middle layer, option C epidermis and middle layer, option D middle layer and sporogenous tissue. Correct answer is option D middle layer and sporogenous tissue. The next question number 19. Role of tapetum was discovered by option A Fleming, option B Ubis, option C Strasburger, option D Navasicin. Correct answer is option B Ubis. The next question number 20. What is the function of tapetum in a developing anther? Option A to draw food material from the microspores, option B to digest the sporophyte, option C to supply food material to the developing microsporophyte, option D to give protection to the inner tissues. Correct answer is option C to supply food material to the developing microsporophytes. The next question number 21. The structure that produces pollen is known as option A anther, option B stigma, option C ovule, option D style. Correct answer is option A anther. The next question number 22. Each anther is generally option A monothecous, option B dithecous, option C polythecous, option D athecous. Correct answer is option B dithecous. The next question number 23. Each lobe of an anther contains option A 1 pollen sac, option B 2 pollen sac, option C 3 pollen sac, option D 4 pollen sac. Correct answer is option B 2 pollen sac. This is a monothecous anther and this is a dithecous anther. Means two thick are present. This is the transverse section of a anther. There are This is the pollen sac. This is one lobe and this is another lobe. Each lobe contains two pollen sac. This is one lobe and this is another lobe. This contains two pollen sac. The total four pollen sac are present in anther. The next question number 24. Total number of pollen sac in a typical anther is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option D 4. The next question number 25. The haploid of microspore mother cell is option A haploid, option B diploid, option C triploid, option D polyploid. Correct answer is option B diploid. The next question number 26. The haploid of microspore is option A diploid, option B haploid, option C triploid, option D tetraploid. Correct answer is option B haploid. The haploid of microspore mother cell it is diploid and the haploid of microspore it is haploid. This is a anther and these are the pollen grains. These are the pollen sac. Inside the pollen sac there is large number of pollen grains. This is a four chambered structure. These are known as pollen sac. And inside the pollen sac, large number of pollen grain are present. The next question number 27. Tapetum is derived from option A archisporial cell, option B parietal cell, option C sporogenous tissue, option D endothecium. Correct answer is option B parietal cell. The next question number 28. Archisporial cell divide to form option A epidermis and endothecium, option B parietal and sporogenous cell, option C middle layer and tapetum, option D endothecium and tapetum. Correct answer is option B parietal cell and sporogenous cell. That is primary parietal and primary sporogenous tissue. The next question number 29. Microsporogenesis occur during option A vegetative phase, option B flowering phase, option C fruit setting, option D seed germination. Correct answer is option B flowering phase. This is the anther primordium. Then the differentiation of archisporial cells start. These are the archisporial cells and the archisporial cell divide to form the outer parietal cell and the inner sporogenous cells. Primary parietal cells and primary sporogenous cells. This parietal cell again divide to form epidermis, middle layer and tapetum and the sporogenous cells to form the microspore mother cell. And this is known as the connective. First, the archisporial cell divide to form primary, primary parietal cells and primary sporogenous cells. Again, the primary parietal cells divide to form secondary parietal cells and endothecium. The secondary parietal cells divide to form middle layer and tapetum, and the primary sporogenous tissue undergoes division to form pollen mother cells, and pollen mother cells undergoes meiosis to form microspores. So, the tapetum, middle layer, and endothecium are derived from primary parietal cells. The next question number 30. Which part of anther provide mechanical support? Option A endothecium, option B tapetum, option C middle layer, option D epidermis. Correct answer is option A endothecium. The next question number 31. Endothecium helps in option A dehiscence of anther, option B nutrition, option C meiosis, option D pollination. Correct answer is option A dehiscence of anther. The next question number 32. Fibrous bands present in endothecium of anther wall is made up of option A lignin, option B cutin, option C alpha cellulose, option D callose. Correct answer is option C alpha cellulose and some amount of lignin is also present. The next question number 33. Endothecium, middle layer and tapetum in anther are derived from option A primary sporogenous cells, option B primary parietal cell, option C both, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B primary parietal cell. The next question number 34. Fibrous thickening of endothelium are in the form of option A, annuli, option B, tangential strip, option C, spiral band, option D, spiral radial bands. Correct answer is option D, spiral radial bands. The next question number 35. At the time of anthedehiscence, option A, middle layer develop fibrous thickening, option B, epidermis degenerate, option C, endothelium develop fibrous thickening, option D, endothelium degenerate. Correct answer is option C, endothelium develop fibrous thickening. The next question number 36. Callus wall form around option A, pollen mother cell during meiosis, option B, tapetal cell, option C, endothelium, option D, mature pollen. Correct answer is option A, pollen mother cell during meiosis. This is the callus wall, and these are the microspores. The next question number 37. Function of callus wall is option A, protection and separation of microspore, option B, nutrition, option C, transport, option D, dehiscence. Correct answer is option A, protection and separation of microspore. The next question number 38. The enzyme that dissolve callus wall after meiosis is option A, callase, option B, cellulase, option C, pectinase, option D, amylase. Correct answer is option A, callase. The next question number 39. Callase enzyme which dissolve callus of pollen tetrad to separate four pollen is provided by option A, pollen, option B, tapetum, option C, middle layer, option D, endothelium. Correct answer is option B, tapetum. The next question number 40. Which one of the following is surrounded by a callus wall? Option A, microspore mother cell, option B, male gamete, option C, egg, option D, pollen. Correct answer is option A, microspore mother cell. The next question number 41. The pollen tetrad are released by dissolution of option A, callus wall, option B, pollen wall, option C, tapetal wall, option D, cellulose wall. Correct answer is option A, callus wall. The next question number 42. Which layer degenerate after maturity of pollen? Option A, tapetum, option B, endothelium, option C, epidermis, option D, parietal layer. Correct answer is option A, tapetum. The next question number 43. The number of nuclei present in an mature pollen grain is usually option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, 4. Correct answer is option B, 2. That is, one is generative cell and another is vegetative cell or tube cell. The next question number 44. During microsporogenesis, meiosis occur in option A, pollen mother cell, option B, tapetum, option C, endothelium, option D, stomium. Correct answer is option A, pollen mother cell. The next question number 45. Microspore develop into option A, ovules, option B, pollen grain, option C, embryo sac, option D, endosperm. Correct answer is option B, pollen grains. The next question number 46. The site of meiosis in angiosperm is option A, anther and ovule, option B, anther and ovary, option C, stigma and style, option D, pollen grain and embryo sac. Correct answer is option A, anther and ovule. The next question number 47. The process of pollen release from anther is called option A, dehiscence, option B, germination, option C, fertilization, option D, sporulation. Correct answer is option A, dehiscence. This is a pollen grain. The outer wall is called exine and inner wall is called intine. And these are the germopores where the pollen tube germinate. This is the line of dehiscence where the rupture of walls occur, that is the stomium, and the release of pollen occur. The next question number 48. The anther lobe separated by or In a typical anther, two anther lobes are separated by a deep groove in front and are attached to each other by a band of vasculated sterile tissue called option A septum, option B stomium, option C connective, option D endothelium. Correct answer is option C connective. This is the connective. The next question number 49. Each pollen sac represent a option A microsporangium, option B megasporangium, option C nucellus, option D ovule. Correct answer is option A microsporangium. The next question number 50. In angiosperm, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis, option A form gamete without further division, option B involve meiosis, option C occur in ovule, option D occur in anther. Correct answer is option B involve meiosis. The next question number 51. The four microspore of a tetrad are option A genetically identical, option B genetically different, option C sterile, option D triploid. Correct answer is option B genetically different. The next question number 52. The nucleus of a pollen grain divide to form option A vegetative and generative nucleus, option B two generative nuclei, option C two vegetative nuclei, option D sperm cell. Correct answer is option A vegetative and generative nucleus. The next question number 53. The generative nucleus divide to form option A two sperm nuclei or two male gamete, option B two pollen grain, option C two vegetative nuclei, option D two zygote. Correct answer is option A two sperm nuclei or two male gamete. This is a pollen grain. The pollen grain at maturity divide to form one larger vegetative cell and the smaller generative cell. The vegetative cell or the tube cell to form the pollen tube and the generative cell form divided to form two male gamete. This is the male gamete form two male gamete or two sperm nuclei. The next question number 54. Which part of anther ruptures during pollen release? Option A stomium, option B endothelium, option C tapetum, option D connective. Correct answer is option A stomium. This is the stomium and which rupture during the dehiscence of anther. This is the stomium layer. The next question number 55. The archisporial cell is always option A diploid, option B haploid, option C triploid, option D polyploid. Correct answer is option A diploid. The next question number 56. Which of the following cytokinesis after meiosis in pollen mother cells is considered as advanced type? Option A simultaneous type in monocot, option B successive type in monocot, option B successive type in dicot, option D simultaneous type in dicot. Correct answer is option B successive type in monocot. In general, simultaneous type occur in dicot and successive type occur in monocot. And the successive type in monocot, it is a advanced type. The next question number 57. The middle layer of anther wall generally option A degenerate, option B persists, option C divide, option D form pollen. Correct answer is option A degenerate. The next question number 58. The fetal cell in microsporangium are option A sporogenous cells, option B tapetal cell, option C parietal cell, option D endothelial cells. Correct answer is option A sporogenous cells, which later form uh, spore mother cells. The next question number 59. The cytoplasm of tapetum is or the tapetal cells are option A multinucleate, option B mononucleate, option C binucleate, option D non-nucleate. Correct answer is option A multinucleate or polyploid. The next question number 60. The tapetum disintegrate option A before pollen maturity, option B after fertilization, option C during meiosis, option D before meiosis. Correct answer is option A, before pollen maturity. The next question number 61. The anther wall is composed of how many layers? Option A 4, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. Correct answer is option A 4. That is epidermis, then endothelium, then middle layer, then tapetum. The next question number 62. Microspore tetrad in angiosperm may be arranged in option A isobilateral, tetrahedral or decussate form. Option B only tetrahedral form. Option C only linear form. Option D random arrangement. Correct answer is option A isobilateral, tetrahedral or decussate form. The next question number 63. The wall of microsporangium is derived from option A parietal cell, option B sporogenous tissue, option C tapetum, option D archisporial cell directly. Correct answer is option A parietal cells. The next question number 64. A typical angiosperm anther is option A bilobed and dithecous, option B unilobed and monothecous, option C trilobed and polythecous, option D single lobed. Correct answer is option B, option A bilobed and dithecous. The next question number 65. The connective of anther is made up of option A parenchyma cells, option B collenchyma cells, option C sclerenchyma cells, option D xylem only. Correct answer is option A parenchyma cells, which helps like vascular bundles. This is a stamen. This is known as filament, and upper one is anther. The entire structure is known as stamen, and the anther is bilobed and dithecous. The next question number 66. The tapetum having multinucleate cells is called option A amoeboid or periplasmodial tapetum, option B secretory tapetum, option C parietal tapetum, option D glandular tapetum. Correct answer is option A amoeboid or periplasmodial tapetum. The next question number 67. The tapetum which remains intact and secrete material is option A secretory or glandular tapetum, option B amoeboid tapetum, option C syncytial tapetum, option D polyploid tapetum. Correct answer is option A secretory or glandular tapetum. The next question number 68. Tapetum supplies option A enzyme and nutrient, option B pollen wall precursors, option C protein and hormone, option D all of these. Correct answer is option D all of these. The next question number 69. The cells that gives rise to sporogenous tissue are option A archisporial cells, option B tapetal cells, option C endothelial cells, option D epidermal cells. Correct answer is option A archisporial cells. The next question number 70. The archisporial cells divide periclinally to form option A primary parietal cells and primary sporogenous cells, option B endothelium and tapetum, option C parenchyma and sclerenchyma, option D stomium and connective. Correct answer is option A primary parietal cell and primary sporogenous cells. The next question number 71. Which of the following is not a part of anther wall? Option A epidermis, option B endothelium, option C tapetum, option D sporogenous tissue. Correct answer is option D sporogenous tissue. The next question number 72. The function of a archisporial cell is to option A form pollen mother cells and wall layer, option B form only pollen mother cells, option B form only tapetum, option D form microspore directly. Correct answer is option A form pollen mother cell and wall layer. The next question number 73. The microspore are the first cell of option A male gametophyte generation, option B female gametophyte generation, option C sporophyte generation, option D endosperm generation. The correct answer is option A male gametophyte generation. The next question number 74. Development and formation of pollen grain in anther of stamen is known as option A pollination, option B fertilization, option C microsporogenesis, option D megasporogenesis. Correct answer is option C microsporogenesis. The next question number 75. Which of the following type of anther is found in Malvaceae? Option A monothecous, option B dithecous, option C polythecous, option D without thecous. Correct answer is option A monothecous. The next question number 76. The anther in Solanaceae are option A monothecous and intros, option B dithecous and extros, option C dithecous and introns, option D monothecous and extros. Correct answer is option C dithecous and intros. The next question number 77. A typical angiospermic anther is a bilobed, dithecous, C tetragonal, D tetrasporians, tetrasporangiate. Option A only A, B and D. Option B all A, B, C, D. Option C only A and B. Option D only B and D are correct. The correct answer is option B. All A, B, C, D are correct. A typical angiospermic anther is bilobed, dithecous, tetragonal, and tetrasporangiate. The next question number 78. The outer wall of pollen grain is called option A exine, option B intine, option C intine, option D exime. Correct answer is option A exine. The next question number 79. The inner wall of pollen grain is called option A exine, option B intine, option C intine, option D exime. Correct answer is option C intine. The next question number 80. Intine of pollen grain is composed of option A lipid and protein, option B cellulose and pectin, option C lignin and cutin, option D pectin and lignin. Correct answer is option B cellulose and pectin. The next question number 81. Anther is generally composed of option A 1 sporangium, option B 2 sporangium, option C 3 sporangium, option D 4 sporangium. Correct answer is option D 4 sporangium. The next question number 82. A microspore mother cell form option A microsporangium, option B an embryo sac, option C a pollen sac, option D pollen grain. Correct answer is option D pollen grain. The next question number 83. Microsporogenesis occur inside option A ovule, option B anther, option C ovary, option D filament. Correct answer is option B anther. A typical anther consists of 4 microsporangia, that is called tetrasporangiate, and such anther is called dithecous anther. The next question number 84. At the time of pollination, how many cells are formed in the pollen grain? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option B 2. That is one vegetative cell and another is generative cell. Pollen grain are shed in two-celled stage from the anther, that is with a vegetative cell and a generative cell. The next question number 85. Generally in the wall of anther lobe, how many middle layer are formed? Option A 7, option B 3, option C 6, option D 9. Correct answer is option B 3 or 4. The next question number 86. Branched type of pollen tube is formed in option A cucurbita, option B salvia, option C China rose, option D solanum. Correct answer is option A cucurbita. In some gymnosperm like Ginkgo biloba, there is also branched type of pollen tube is found. The next question number 87. Endothecium layer of anther lobe is present. Option A outside the epidermis, option B just inside the epidermis, option C in the innermost layer, option D in the middle region. Correct answer is option B just inside the epidermis. The next question number 88. If the leaf cell has 8 chromosomes, it is most likely that option A zygote will have 4 chromosomes, option B gamete will have 8 chromosomes, option C gametes will have 4 chromosomes, option D zygote will have 16 chromosomes. Correct answer is option C gamete will have 4 chromosomes because gametes are haploid. The next question number 89. During meiosis in pollen mother cell, the daughter cell are interconnected by passages. The whole structure is called option A symplast, option B plasmodesmata, option C syncytium, option D sinusoid. Correct answer is option C syncytium. The next question number 90. Before dehiscence of anther, option A, middle layer enlarged, option B, endothelium develops fibrous thickening, option C, tapetum develops fibrous thickening, option D, epidermis degenerate. Correct answer is option B, endothelium develops fibrous thickening. The next question number 91. Pollinia are sac-like structure, option A, which secrete yellow substance called pollenicite, option B, which are found in megasporangia, option C, in which anther lobe are present, option D, in which pollen grain are present in mass. Correct answer is option D, in which pollen grains are present in mass. This is the structure of pollinia of a calotropis plant. These are the pollinia and this is the pollinium. Inside this, many pollen grains are present. The next question number 92. Tectum, baculum, foot layer are the different part of option A microspore wall, option B microspore mother cell, option C megaspore wall, option C megaspore mother cells, megaspore mother cell wall. Correct answer is option A microspore wall, that is exine. The next question number 93. A schematic illustration of the pollen grain is called option A pollengram, option B palinogram, option C histogram, option D parallelogram. Correct answer is option B palinogram. The next question number 94. If the developing microspore mother cell draw nourishment by contacting the tapetal cell, the type of tapetum is called option A plasmodial tapetum, option B secretory tapetum, option C amoeboid tapetum, option D endothelium. Correct answer is option B secretory tapetum. The next question number 95. Main function of endothelium is option A nutritional, option B mechanical support, option C dehiscence, option D protection. Correct answer is option C, dehiscence. The next question number 96. One pollen mother cell may produce 4 germinating pollen grain, each with 2 male nuclei and 1 tube nucleus. How many meiotic division are necessary to bring this about? Option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option B 1. There is 1 meiotic division or meiosis and 2 mitotic division are required. The next question number 97. The germ pore on the pollen grain are found on the option A exine only, option B intine only, option C both exine and intine, option D vegetative cell. Correct answer is option A intine only. Sorry, exine only. The next question number 98. How many microspore mother cell will give rise to 256 microspore after reduction division? Option A 512, option B 128, option C 64, option D 96. Correct answer is option C 64. That is 64 microspore mother cell undergoes meiotic division to form 256 microspores. The next question number 99. Fossil pollen grain helps to explore option A coal, option B petroleum, option C fossil plant, option D all of this. Correct answer is option C fossil plants. The next question number 100. The pollen grain is option A an immature male gametophyte, option B a mature male gametophyte, option C partially developed male gametophyte, option D last stage of male gametophyte. Correct answer is option C partially developed male gametophyte. The next question number 101. How many meiotic division are necessary to produce 100 pollen grains? Option A 100, option B 25, option C 50, option D 20. Correct answer is option B 25. The next question number 102. Which part of the reproductive structure produces both enzyme and hormone? Option A, archisporium. Option B, middle layer. Option C, tapetum. Option D, endothecium. Correct answer is option C, tapetum. The next question number 103. In a flowering plant, the largest number of haploid cells occur in option A, ovule. Option B, microsporangia. Option C, root tip. Option D, cambium. Correct answer is option B, microsporangia. The next question number 104. Occurrence of more than 4 spore from a spore mother cell is called option A, polyspermy. Option A, polyspory. Option C, polyembryony. Option D, polysyphony. Correct answer is option B, polyspory. The next question number 105. In a pollen grain, larger nucleus is option A, generative nucleus. Option B, tube nucleus. Option C, vegetative nucleus. Option D, both B and C. Correct answer is option D, both B and C. That is vegetative nucleus or tube nucleus. Both are same. The next question number 106. Which of the following is correct statement? Option A, gametes are diploid. Option B, spores are invariably haploid. Option C, spores and gametes are invariably haploid. Option D, gametes are invariably haploid. Correct answer is option C, spores and gametes are invariably haploid. The next question number 107. Microsporogenesis is a synonym for option A, spermatogenesis. Option B, development of pollen. Option C, development of male gametophyte. Option D, development of male gametophyte. Correct answer is option B, development of pollen. The next question number 108. In an anther culture, the androgenic haploid plant are obtained from option A, young pollen grain. Option B, connective tissue. Option C, anther tapetum. Option D, anther wall. Correct answer is option A, anther young pollen grains, which is haploid in nature. Other are diploid. The next question number 109. In anther culture, some diploid plants were reported with haploid. They have evolved from option A, prothalial cell of pollen grain. Option B, generative cell of pollen grain. Option C, cell of anther wall. Option D, exine of pollen grain. Correct answer is option C, cell of anther wall. The next question number 110. The odd one is option A, micropyle. Option B, embryo sac. Option C, nucellus. Option D, pollen grain. Correct answer is option D, pollen grain. The next question number 111. The anther wall consists of 4 wall layer where option A, endothecium lies inner to middle layer. Option B, tapetum lies just inner to endothecium. Option C, tapetum lies next to epidermis. Option D, middle layer lies between endothecium and tapetum. Correct answer is option D, middle layer lies between endothecium and tapetum. The next question number 112. A typical anther wall has option A, echothecium and endothecium. Option B, endothecium and tapetum. Option C, exothecium, endothecium and tapetum. Option D, exothecium and tapetum. Correct answer is option B, endothecium and tapetum. The next question number 113. In flowering plant, a mature male gametophyte is derived from a pollen mother cell by option A, 3 mitotic division. Option B, 1 meiotic and 2 mitotic division. Option C, 2 meiotic division. Option D, a single meiotic division. Correct answer is option B, 1 meiotic and 2 mitotic division. The next question number 114. Palynology deals with the study of option A, pollen grain. Option B, chromosome. Option C, DNA. Option D, genes. Correct answer is option A, pollen grain. The next question number 115. Mature male gametophyte is made up of option A, 1 cell. Option B, 2 cells. Option C, 3 cells. Option D, 4 cells. Correct answer is option C, 3 cells. That is 1 vegetative cell and 2 male gamete. These are the 2 male gamete and 1 tube nucleus. The next question number 116. UVS bodies found in tapetal cell help in formation of option A, pollen kit and pollinia. Option B, exine. Option C, sporopollenin. Option D, intine and pollen kit. Correct answer is option B, exine. The next question number 117. Germpore is the region where the exine is option A, thick. Option B, uniform. Option C, thick and uniform. Option D, absent. Correct answer is option D, absent. The next question number 118. How many pollen grains are formed from 10 microspore mother cell by meiosis? Option A 80, option C 40, option C 20, option D 10. Correct answer is option B 40. 1 microspore mother cell gives 4 microspore. That's why 10 microspore mother cell will give 40 microspore. The next question number 119. In a young anther, the 4 row of cells which later produce pollen are called option A antheridium, option B archisporium, option C tapetum, option D zoosporangium. Correct answer is option A B archisporium. The next question number 120. If a sporangium is derived from a single cell, it is called option A leptosporangiate, option B eusporangiate, option C heterosporangiate, option D homosporangiate. Correct answer is option A leptosporangiate. The next question number 121. Tapetum is a part of option A male gametophyte, option B female gametophyte, option C ovary wall, option D anther wall. Correct answer is option D anther wall. The next question number 122. Haploid can be obtained from option A pollen grain, option B root apex, option C shoot apex, option D embryo. Correct answer is option A pollen grains. The next question number 123. Pollinia is found in which of the following plant family? Option A Asteraceae, option B Myristaceae, option C Malvaceae, option D Asclepidaceae. Correct answer is option D Asclepidaceae. Example is Calotropis. The next question number 124. In angiosperm, all 4 microspore of tetrad are covered by a layer which is formed by option A callose, option B cellulose, option C sporopollenin, option D pectocellulose. Correct answer is option A callose. The next question number 125. Meiosis can be observed in option A spore mother cell, option B microspore, option C megaspore, option D tapetal cell. Correct answer is option A spore mother cell. The next question number 126. Exine of pollen grain is composed of option A pectocellulose, option B lignocellulose, option C sporopollenin, option D pollen kit. Correct answer is option C sporopollenin. The next question number 127. Rarely among angiosperm, the pollen grain influenced the endosperm. This is called as option A metagenia, option B Nemec phenomenon, option C genia, option D mesogamy. Correct answer is option C genia. The next question number 128. UB's bodies are present in option A pollen tube, option B pollen grain, option C microspore, option D tapetum. Correct answer is option D tapetum. The next question number 129. Pollen grain are formed in option A anther, option B stigma, option C filament, option D pollen sac. Correct answer is option D pollen sac. The next question number 130. Germpore in pollen grain are option A prominent aperture in exine where sporopollenin is absent, option B prominent aperture in intine where sporopollenin is absent, option C prominent aperture where exine is absent, option D prominent aperture where intine is absent. Correct answer is option A prominent aperture in exine where sporopollenin is absent. The next question number 131. What is the role of germpore in pollen grain? Option A. Emergence of pollen tube. Option B. Emergence of plumule. Option C. Emergence of radicle. Option D. Emergence of hypocotyl. Correct answer is option A. Emergence of pollen tube. Then next question number 132. Pollen grain is option A. Highly reduced male gametophyte. Option B. Well developed male gametophyte. Option C. Highly reduced sporophyte. Option D. Well developed female gametophyte. Correct answer is option A. Highly reduced male gametophyte. The next question number 133. What is the function of germpore? Option A. Emergence of radicle. Option B. Absorption of water for seed germination. Option C. Initiation of pollen tube. Option D. All of these. Correct answer is option C. Initiation of pollen tube. The next question number 134. The germpore in the pollen grain are the region option A that can withstand high temperature and strong acids and alkalines. Option B, through which sperm are released into the female gametophyte. Option C, which are made up of lignin and suberin. Option D, which lacks sporopollenin. Correct answer is option D, which lacks sporopollenin. The next question number 135. The anther wall consists of a four-wall layer where option A, endothelium lies inner to middle layer. Option B, tapetum lies just inner to endothelium. Option C, tapetum lies next to the epidermis. Option D, middle layer lies between endothelium and tapetum. Correct answer is option D, middle layer lies between endothelium and tapetum. The next question number 136. Endothelium layer of anther lobe is present. Option A, outside the epidermis. Option B, just inside the epidermis. Option C, in the innermost layer. Option D, in the middle region. Correct answer is option B, just inside the epidermis. The next question number 137. UB's bodies take part in development of option A, pollen grain. Option B, syncytium. Option C, microgametophyte. Option D, microsporangium. Correct answer is option A, pollen grains. The next question number 138. In plants, meiosis occur in option A, anther. Option B, root tip. Option C, cambium. Option D, pollen grain. Correct answer is option A, anther. The next question number 139. In microsporangium, tapetum is generally layered. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option A 1. The next question number 140. UB's bodies are produced by option A, middle layer. Option B, tapetum cell. Option C, pollen mother cell. Option D, endothelium. Correct answer is option B, tapetum cells. The next question number 141. UB's bodies are connected with the development of option A, exine of pollen grain. Option B, endothelium. Option C, pollen tube. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is option A, exine of pollen grain. The next question number 142. In a mature two-celled pollen, option A, the generative cell is smaller with dense cytoplasm. Option B, the exine is sculptured and continuous. Option C, the intine is discontinuous and made up of cellulose and pectin. Option D, the vegetative cell is bigger with abundant food reserve and a spindle-shaped nucleus. Correct answer is option A, the generative cell is smaller with dense cytoplasm. The next question number 143. Pollen grain along with the growing tube has how many haploid nuclei? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option C 3. That is 2 male gamete and 1 tube nucleus. The next question number 144. Cells present in the mature pollen grain are this. Option A, central cell and generative cell. Option B, antipodal cell and vegetative cell. Option C, vegetative cell and generative cell. Option D, filiform cell and micropillar cell. Correct answer is option C, vegetative cell and generative cell. The next question number 145. Pollen grain has a prominent two-layered wall. The inner wall, option A, is made up of cellulose and pectin. Option B is thin and continuous. Option C is made up of sporopollenin. Option D, both and B. Correct answer is option D, both and B. The next question number 146. Pollen tube develops from option A, vegetative nucleus. Option B, vegetative cell. Option C, generative cell. Option D, male gamete. Correct answer is option B, vegetative cell. The next question number 147. Sporopollenin is found in option A, outer wall of pollen. Option B, inner wall of pollen. Option C, pollen tube. Option D, male gamete. Correct answer is option A, outer wall of pollen. The next question number 148. Sporopollenin is a part of option A, pollen grain covering. Option B, oosphere covering. Option C, ovule covering. Option D, cell wall. Correct answer is option A, pollen grain covering. The next question number 149. Sporopollenin is chemically option A, homopolysaccharide. Option B, heteropolysaccharide. Option C, protein. Option D, fatty substance. Correct answer is option D, fatty substances. The next question number 150. Sporopollenin occur in option A, female gametophyte. Option B, male gametophyte. Option C, vegetative cell of a pollen grain. Option D, exine of pollen wall. Correct answer is option D, exine of pollen wall. The next question number 151. Sporopollenin is formed by polymerization of option A, fat and phenol. Option B, fat and ester. Option C, carotenoid and fat. Option D is carotenoid and ester. Correct answer is option A, fat and phenols. The next question number 152. Sporopollenin is derived from the option A, polymerization of pectin, option B, oxidation of polymerization of carotenoid, option C, reductive polymerization of carotenoid, option D, polymerization of cellulose. Correct answer is option B, oxidative polymerization of carotenoids. The next question number 153. Sporopollenin in exine of pollen grain can be degraded by option A, high temperature, option B, low pH, option C, some enzyme, option D, cannot be degraded. Correct answer is option D, cannot be degraded. The next question number 154. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, sporopollenin can be degraded by enzyme. Option B, sporopollenin is made up of inorganic material. Option C, sporopollenin can withstand high temperature as well as strong acid and alkalis. Option D, sporopollenin can withstand high temperature but not strong acid. Correct answer is option C, sporopollenin can withstand high temperature as well as strong acids and alkalis. The next question number 155. Which of the following statement about sporopollenin is wrong? Option A, exine is formed of sporopollenin. Option B, sporopollenin is not degraded by any known enzyme. Option C, sporopollenin occur in the area of germ pore only. Option D, sporopollenin is most resistant organic material. Correct answer is option C, sporopollenin occur in the area of germ pore only, which is wrong. The next question number 156. Which of the following plant product is the hardest? Option A, lignin, option B, cutin, option C, suberin, option D, sporopollenin. Correct answer is option D, sporopollenin. The next question number 157. One of the most resistant biological material present in the exine of pollen grain is option A, pectocellulose, option B, sporopollenin, option C, suberin, option D, cellulose. Correct answer is option B, sporopollenin. The next question number 158. Hardest substance in plant kingdom is option A, sepal, option B, corolla, option C, sporopollenin, option D, anther. Correct answer is option C, sporopollenin. The next question number 159. Sporopollenin occur in the wall of option A, egg cell, option B, pollen grain, option C, synergid, option D, antipodal cell. Correct answer is option B, pollen grain. The next question number 160. Generative cell of pollen grain. Option A has large irregularly shaped nucleus. Option B is spindle shaped. Option C is bigger in size than vegetative cell. Option D has abundant food reserve. Correct answer is option B is spindle shaped. The next question number 161. In a pollen grain, larger irregular shaped nucleus is option A, archisporial nucleus, option B, vegetative cell, option C, prothelial nucleus, option D, generative cell. Correct answer is option B, vegetative cell. The next question number 162. When the pollen grain is mature, it contains two cells, the vegetative cell and the generative cell. The vegetative cell, option A, is bigger, B, spindle shaped, C, has abundant food reserve, D, has a larger irregularly shaped nucleus. Options are option A, B and C, option B, A, C and D, option C, A, B, C and D, option D, B, C and D. Correct answer is option B, A, C and D are correct. Vegetative cell is bigger and has abundant food reserve and has a large irregularly shaped nucleus. The next question number 163. The generative cell of a pollen grain is small and float in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. Option B is spindle shaped. Option C has a dense cytoplasm and a nucleus. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question number 164. Male gamete are formed by option A, pollen cell, option B, generative cell, option C, pollen tube cell, option D, pollen mother cell. Correct answer is option B, generative cell. The next question number 165. In plants that shed pollen grain at a two-celled condition, the generative cell divides and forms the two male gametes during the option A, entry of pollen tube in the ovule, option B, entry of pollen tube in the synergid, option C, growth of pollen tube in the stigma, option D, growth of pollen tube in the style. Correct answer is option C, growth of pollen tube in the stigma. The next question number 166. Days of the pollen grain divide to form two male gamete. Option A vegetative cell, option B generative cell, option C microspore mother cell, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B generative cell. The next question number 167. The pollen tube enters the synergid through option A lateral wall, option B filiform apparatus, option C chalazaland, option D any of these region. Correct answer is option B filiform apparatus. This is the filiform apparatus in the synergid cell, and the pollen tube enter through the filiform apparatus. The next question number 168. In angiosperm, pollen tube liberate their male gamete into the option A. One male gamete in cytoplasm of synergid and other in the cytoplasm of central cell. Option B. Both in cytoplasm of central cell. Option C. Cytoplasm of antipodal cell. Then D. Both in cytoplasm of synergid. Correct answer is option D. Both in cytoplasm of synergid. Then after one male gamete is fuses with the egg and another male gamete is fuses with a central cell. The next question number 169. In angiosperm, pollen tube liberate their male gamete into the option A central cell, option B antipodal cell, option C egg cell, option D synergid. Correct answer is option D synergid. The next question number 170. The pollen tube enter the ovule through option A antipodal cell, option B micropyle, option C degenerating synergid, option D all of these. Correct answer is option B micropyle. The next question number 171. Pollen tube discharge its male gamete into option A egg, option B healthy synergid, option C degenerating synergid, option D central cell. Correct answer is option C degenerating synergid. The next question number 172. Arrange the following layer of microsporangium according to outside. A. Endothecium, B. Middle layer, C. Tapetum, D. Epidermis. Option A. DABC, option B. BACD, option C. DCBA, option D. CBAD. Correct answer is option A. DABC. That is first epidermis, then endothecium, then middle layer, then tapetum. The next question number 173. In gymnosperm, the pollen tube discharge the male gamete. Option A in the ovary, option B in the microsporangia, option C near the mouth of the archegonia, option D both 2 and 3. Correct answer is option C near the mouth of archegonia. The next question number 174. As each cell of the sporogenous tissue is capable of gives rise to option A megaspore dyad, option B a megaspore tetrad, option C a microspore dyad, option D a microspore tetrad. Correct answer is option D a microspore tetrad. The next question number 175. Basal foot layer and tectum are associated with which of the following structure? Option A microspore, option B embryo sac, option C seed, option D megaspore. Correct answer is option A microspore. That is exine of microspore. The next question number 176. Discontinuous layer in the wall of pollen grain are option A absent, option B foot layer, option C baculate layer, option D baculate layer and tectum. Correct answer is option D baculate layer and tectum. The next question number 177. The outermost and innermost wall layer of microsporangium in an anther are respectively option A endothecium and tapetum, option B epidermis and endodermis, option C epidermis and middle layer, option D epidermis and tapetum. Correct answer is option D epidermis and tapetum. The next question number 178. Which of the following layer helps in dehiscence of anther due to its hygroscopic nature? Option A exothecium, option B epidermis, option C endothecium, option D middle layer. Correct answer is option C endothecium. The next question number 179. A band of sterile parenchymatous cells present in between the two lobes of anther is called option A neuter flower, option B thicca, option C connective, option D adhesive. Correct answer is option C connective. Then last question, question number 180. During double fertilization, the pollen tube enters the embryo sac through option A, egg cell, option B, persistent synergid, option C, degenetic synergid, option D, central cell. Correct answer is option C, degenetic synergid. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.